My name's Keegan Gerhard. I'm with D-Bar Denver. My wife and I own a restaurant, dessert bars, some bakeries. And I'm here today in the Cannabis Pavilion to talk about flavor pairings in cannabis and edibles. I mean, in my career for 30 years, since I was old enough and the boss enough to make decisions about where I got to go, I choose to go to IBIE because there's the networking platform, the obviousness of just seeing all of the industry in a building. There's the educational piece. And now I'm just honored to even be a part of the educational piece where none of us can be good at everything. You know, we might be great bakers or pastry chefs, we don't know marketing, we don't know technology. Well, there's somebody here in a seminar or a classroom that's talking about that and teaching that. So you also get to stay on the front edge of innovation. And I believe that comes not only from the awards that they give and the way that they push the industry forward, but also because of the live competitions they have here at the show. If you haven't been to IBIE and you're in the baking and pastry industry, you're straight up missing out.